Awuveli nje usuke wenza into ungacelwanga, ungatshelwanga, unganikwanga i-guidance by the universe, by your creator. Awuveli nje usuke wenza into. You receive the download, you receive the guidance, you receive the flash of inspiration and intuition before you act. Yours is to be a human being, not a human doing. Because uzoqala into wrong ngesikhathi esi-right, noma uqala into right ngesikhathi esi-wrong, noma uqala into wrong ngesikhathi esi-wrong. Awufunde lento ekuthiwa i-art of surrendering. Surrender. Linda. Iba sendaweni yokulinda. Mina, I'm a human design chart reader, and I always tell people to wait. I always tell people to wait. You know, kunento ekuthiwa ukulinda, wazi ukuthi ulindeni. Kunento ekuthiwa nje ukuba stagnant nje. Ungazi ukuthi ulindeni, ukuma nje ube stagnant ngoba awuyiboni nalento oyilindile. Wena okwakho ukucela i-guidance kulento oyifunayo. Ukucela uzi-equip. Uyazi ukuthi kahle kahle mayichazwa lento ekuthiwa i-luck. It's when the preparation meets in opportunity ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akasha uthi kungenzeka noma yini, noma inini, noma kanjani, kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho sisuka khona, futhi kukude lapho siya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Ake ngikwenzela nje few practical examples. Ukubone mawuzama ukukhumbula into. Thola ukuthi ufuna ukuyikhumbula uyikhulume manje. Lento le uvela uyikhohlwe kakhulu. Uthi mangabe ungasayinakile nje ibuye lento nathi lento ebengifuna ukuyisho kodwa manje abasekho labantu engifuna ukuyisho kubona. Noma mawubheka into uthola ukuthi lento kade lokhu uyibona kodwa ungayidingi. Uthi mase usuyifuna ngempela ukuyisebenzisa lento ivele icasha. Ngalesi sikhathi xa usukhohliwe iyona. Vele futhi lento iqhamuke futhi iphinde ibuye futhi. Lonto ikutshela ukuthile. Yabona abantu abaningi banama attachments emhlabeni. And kubona it feels like wrong to do nothing. It feels like go wrong. They have to do something, but there's something abayenzayo. It's like they are wasting because they are putting so much energy, but they are receiving returns that doesn't match the energy they are putting in. Why? Because they do things unguided and undirected by the higher power. Yours is to prepare yourself. Yours is to equip yourself. Yours is to prepare yourself for the right opportunity. You just want the opportunity and ukuyifuna wakho uyayidemanda, and we are pushing i-resistance engakanani. Upusha i-resistance engakanani. It's like things are not falling into place. It's because unalento ekuthiwa attachments to an outcome. You want things to happen your own way. You don't want to be directed. I always say ukuthi la emhlabeni many of us are generators. Kusho kona ukuthi we need to respond. Let life direct you. Let life come to you. Let life give you a hint, a clue. And you're going to receive a hunch that tells you, the guts that tells you, good, now is the right time for me to do this. Yabona i-life iyakhombisa ukuthi nansi i-opportunity. Mawazi ukuthi wena ulindeni, iyakhombisa nansi i-opportunity. Uzwa kuwena ngaphakathi ukuthi it feels right now for me to move. I have all the energy. My sacral is telling me to go on. I use a lot. But other than that, don't just keep pushing. We are pushing to the wrong direction. Even kumele kube ukuthi mhlawumbe infuse some product range la usucabanga ukexpanda in your business or usucabanga, you need to be guided from within. You need to be guided from within. Uyazi ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi ungabona ngathi izinto ziyafaila. Ubona uthi how ngoba yes, I received the directive from above and I was guided ukuthi it's the right time. I waited and I asked, what is happening? No, it's work for your best interest. When ungabona sengathi kuyi universe yonke into iyenzeka in perfect harmony. ungabona ngazuthi wena awukho guided, ngazuthi izinto uyafalling apart, uyafailing. Akukho lost, wena ima kwi-divine guidance, ima kwi-divine trust, iba lento ekuthiwa i-self trust, ukuthi konke kusebenzelana kube kuhle, konke, nothing is lost. Okulahlekayo kobuya kuphindiwe, ayikho into elahlekayo. I-discord ne-disruption ne-disturbance yenzeka la emqondweni wakho, kwi-subconscious, kwi-higher power, yonke into yenzeka in harmony. Immortal mind le yakho ethi wena izinto kazi zokwenzeka ngale ndlela engifuna ngayo, kuba futhi le mortal mind ivele ikutshela isikhathi siyahamba, akukho isikhathi esihambayo la. Ikutshela ukuthi linda, phuma emsindweni, responda. Let life give you clues and hints. Yours is to be aware. Prepare yourself. Do the things you love in the meantime. And be guided and directed. Linda, yazi ukuthi God is your infinite supply. And when, because you are here, you are a supply, there is a demand for you in this world. You are here to fill up the vacant that no one else could fill up. So ngaze ngiphethe isingisi ungafuni ukulokunda ukungilalela. Linda, sifundisa ukulinda. Yabona? Hayi ukuthi uzobolinda ube nalento kuthiwa une resentment, ulindile kodwa une resentment, uhambe uba resentful kubantu. Unimbona no plastic obheng. Phela bahola u resentful. Ukulinda kwakho ke kuzoba useless because awukho magnetized. Because already hayi ukuthi ulindile wena, ustakile. Awulindile, ustakile. U resentful. I-frequency yakho isenda out is not a frequency that can attract you great things. Ukulinda kwakho kumele ukuthi you wait, but while you are busy immersing yourself with something that you love. Ukulinda kwakho akube magnetic mfethu. Ungabe umuntu ostakile. Use your energy to things that you love. While you are waiting, prepare yourself. Do your due diligence, learn, study, input, practice. Some people, they just missed opportunities. Kodwa ababona ukuthi bona babe unprepared for one. Prepare yourself for the right opportunity and ask the divine power. Iba sendaweni yokulinda. Musu kuba impatient. The art of surrender. Exercise. Ngesikhathi wena uzama ukuphusha uforce izinto la, that's where things don't work. But while you surrender and wait for life to come to you to give you hints and clues, that is where nonke projectors, generators, reflectors, you manifestors kuthiwa nina anilindi, you initiate, but nawe ngokwakho kulo initiation yakho akuba ukuthi authority yakho uyayilalela, unga initiate izinto nje out of emotions. Akuba ukuthi it's the right time, you feel it in your soul ukuthi it's the right time for me to do this, it's like I can't wait any longer. Remember to inform the people abazothinteka kuleyo nto. I-art ukuphila, art of giving and receiving. That energy you send out is the energy that comes back to you. Njengoba ulindile nje, how are you? Are you magnetized? Are you at peace? Are you resentful? Are you doubtful? You have fear? Do you have the self-trust while usendaweni yakho yokulinda? In the polytrick akona umqondo wakho. Yabo kwi-mental plane kune-carnal mind, and the-carnal mind is subjected and receptive to amanye ama-impressions abanye abantu. And kwi-mental plane iziningi kakhulu izinto ezenzekayo. Ungaze ungitshela ukuthi wena it's the right time to do something, kanti no, when you are just impatient nje wenza izinto ngesikhathi eswrong. Hayi ukuthi umqondo wakho. Umqondo is not an internal authority, good people. I'm telling you, umqondo is not the internal authority. Your internal authority is defined by your chart. If you don't know your chart, ungazi uyibook chart reading, it's fine. Lokho kuzwa ngaphakathi kuwena, not your mental plane. Mental plane is for analysis, conceptualizing and understanding. It's not for pulling the trigger that now is, I've just thought about it, now I begin, I'm starting. No, you will hit every resistance that is there, I'm sabini. Mangafuni ukwenza into engiyisho. ukuphila kuyi-art nakho ngokwakho. Sazike.